Can we not talk in front of this girl, please?
Please, what do you mean by this girl?
Can we
I'm a
have our...
contestant like you. Who the hell are you to say this girl? You bloody this man
I'm this guy.
needs to get out of this place. Don't you dare try and show that finger on my face. Don't cross the line, Jad. Show your reality. Show it to your friend as well. Let him know who you are.
That's my reality. You want to see it?
Show the world. Oh my God. He's showing it.
That's what you deserve to talk to, not me.
Did you guys see that?
What an embarrassment to your family you are.
या तो वो रहेगा या तो मैं कुछ नहीं सुनता यार मेरी बाहर ना जाओ यार नहीं रह सकती हूँ मैं यहाँ में नहीं रहूंगी Enough!
बिग बॉस। तो पिछले हफ्ते ऐसा बहुत कुछ हुआ है जिसके बारे में जानना आपको भी है और जानना मुझे भी। बहुत सारे सवाल आपके भी हैं और बहुत सारे सवाल मेरे भी हैं। बहुत सारे लोग शायद इससे ना एग्री करें और होप जितने ना एग्री कर सकें वो बेहतर है। जो एग्री करते हैं वो करते हैं, उनका क्या कर सकते हैं। लेकिन ये शो का होस्ट मैं हूँ और एक बात क्लियर कर देना चाहता हूँ कि लोग करते हैं ये सब बहुत होता है, लेकिन आपने कभी मेरी पिक्चर में ये सब नहीं देखा, मेरे शो में ये सब नहीं देखा। तो वही जाके देखना है कि इनका पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू क्या है, इन्होंने ये सब क्यों किया और आगे जाके करेंगे या नहीं करेंगे। करेंगे तब फिर मैं इससे जुड़ना नहीं चाहता। और ये उस दिन हुआ है जब अब्दू घर में पहुंचा। आपने अब्दू को पिछले सीज़न में देखा, बाहर से ही आया था वो भी, उसको भी मोहब्बत हो गई थी, उसने भी बहुत सारे झगड़े देखे, लेकिन उसने ऐसा कुछ नहीं किया। तो अब्दू के पहले 21 का वाक़या हुआ और फिर उसके बाद एक और वाक़या हुआ है जो कि OTT होने के बावजूद हमने आपको उसके पूरे विजुअल्स नहीं दिखाए। लोगों ने अपना बम दिखाया है फिल्मों में, लेकिन ऐसे नहीं दिखाया है, गुस्से में नहीं दिखाया है। लोगों ने किस किया है ऑन स्क्रीन, बट ऐसे नहीं किस किया है। लोग करते हैं ये सब, उनका चॉइस है, मेरा चॉइस कुछ अलग है। मुझे माफ़ कर दीजिए कि मैं आपको इस टाइप का कोई कंटेंट दिखाना नहीं चाहता मेरे शो में। मैं इनकी तरफ से माफ़ी मांगता हूँ। आई एम रियली सॉरी कि जिसको पसंद नहीं आया और जो अपसेट हुए हैं, मैं इन लोगों की तरफ से आपसे माफ़ी मांगता हूँ और मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि ऐसा कुछ वापस से हो ना, क्योंकि मुझे पता है कि पिछले 2 सीज़नों के बाद एक पारिवारिक ऑडियंस ने इस शो को देखना शुरू किया है और मैं वही चाहता हूँ कि पूरा परिवार मिलकर ये शो देखे जैसे कि आप लोग मेरी पिक्चर देखते हैं। मैं आप ही को दिखा देता हूँ ये कॉन्टेंट और इन्हीं से पूछते हैं कि इनके ओपिनियंस, इनके व्यूज़, इनकी सोच इसके बारे में क्या है।
I'm an Indian female artist, Jay. Some things are considered, and this is big. People might be, they
You are
might be.
an Indian artist that's out of the box.
Yes.
Consider that.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
And what you maybe did in your country here, it takes guts.
Yeah.
You had the guts.
I had the guts.
Listen, don't take this task as serious.
No, I'm not taking that task seriously,
think
but
about
I
it
am
anymore.
saying, I'm
Don't
not
think
thinking now. I'm definitely
You're thinking about it. We're talking about it. Billions of people watching.
I know
It's
see, trust me.
It is important.
It is.
As important as it is, it was for the moment.
It was, and it's done for me.
Take the moment as it is, and
No, that.
and don't rush into talking anymore. Okay?
Okay.
Don't jump into it. Okay?
Cool.
We're cool.
We're cool.
हेलो अब्दू।
हेलो बिग बॉस।
बिग बॉस के घर में आपका फिर से स्वागत है।
थैंक यू।
लेकिन ये बिग बॉस सीजन 16 नहीं है अब्दू,
यस
ये बिग बॉस OTT है।
यस बिग बॉस।
यहाँ आपकी जान पहचान वाली कोई दोस्तों की मंडली नहीं है।
यस बिग बॉस, आई नो।
इसलिए इससे पहले कि आप गेस्ट बनकर इन अनजान लोगों के साथ रहने जाएं, बिग बॉस चाहेंगे कि आप इन्हें थोड़ा सा समझ लें।
ओके बिग बॉस।
बिग बॉस एक एक करके कुछ घर वालों को बुलाएंगे जो आपको बताएंगे कि बिग बॉस OTT के इस घर में आपको किस किस से बच के रहना चाहिए।
ओके बिग बॉस।
आर यू रेडी अब्दू?
यस।
बिग बॉस आते हैं कि पूजा कन्वेंशन रूम में आए।
जी। Oh,
हाय।
hi. Nice to
Hi.
meet you.
नाइस टू मीट यू टू।
I never met you. I know you. I see.
Abdul
Yes, yes, yes.
Thank you so much।
What a good surprise.
थैंक यू।
पूजा,
जी,
बिग बॉस चाहते हैं कि आप खुलकर अब्दू को बताएं
जी।
कि उन्हें इस घर में किस सदस्य से दूर रहना चाहिए। कौन है वो सदस्य जो आपके मुताबिक दोस्ती के लायक भी नहीं है?
ठीक है. Okay, you will get along very well with Jad.
Yes.
He's a wonderful man, very good heart. मेरे हिसाब से सब में से अगर कोई थोड़ी फॉल्स है, a little fake,
Yeah.
वो है आकांक्षा. दो आकांक्षा बहुत ही खूबसूरत है और वो आपको बहुत पसंद करेगी. She will come and give you lots of love, but she is, according to me, somebody who cannot be trusted because very recently or just yesterday she played a very bad game with Jad. और Jad बहुत ही दुखी है और हम सब इस चीज से बहुत दुखी हैं. तो कल जो हुआ वो अच्छा नहीं था. But
Yeah.
I think you'll be okay. You'll charm
Thank you.
everybody.
Thank
Lovely
you.
to meet you, and I really
Thank
look forward to seeing you
Okay,
inside.
thank you.
Okay,
Thank you.
bye-bye. Thank you, Big Boss.
Thank you. Thank you, Big Boss.
अब्दू,
Yes, sir.
उनकी एडवाइस कैसी लगी आपको?
If somebody telling me, maybe this person telling like maybe Jen is telling maybe or I'm like not 100% sure which time I go inside, sir. After I understand more things. Hi. Hi.
Hi! Oh my god!
Hi.
I'm in love with you! How are you?
Good, thank you. How are
You
you?
look so adorable.
Thank you so much.
I'm a huge fan of yours.
Thank you, thank you.
बेबिका, बिग बॉस चाहते हैं कि आप खुलकर अब्दू को बताएं कि उन्हें इस घर में किस सदस्य से दूर रहना चाहिए.
सो मैं कहना चाहूँगी अब्दू से कि आकांक्षा से बच के रहे क्योंकि उसकी पर्सनालिटी रियल नहीं है, बहुत फेक है और वो अपने आप को सही ढंग से प्रदर्शित नहीं करती है और उसके माइंड में काफ़ी नेगेटिविटी है. इस हद तक है कि गेम में आगे बढ़ने के लिए चालाकी चलाती है और किसी को भी अपने रास्ते का कांटा समझकर किसी भी हद तक जाकर उसकी या तो मानहानि कर लेगी या तो कोई भी लिमिट क्रॉस कर सकती है. और मनीषा क्योंकि उसकी दोस्ती बस अपनी मतलब की होती है और अपनी कन्वीनियंस की होती है, जब तक उसे सही लगता है या उसे जहाँ फ़ायदा दिखता है उसके हिसाब से वो पलट जाती है.
अब्दू,
Yes, sir.
बेबिका एक जानी मानी ज्योतिष भी है. क्या आप चाहेंगे कि वो आपके बारे में कुछ बताएं?
Yeah.
Okay.
Can I see your palm? Right leg, right palm?
Huh?
Right palm? Yeah, straight, straight. Yes. What's your age? You're very young.
Me? I'm 19 years old.
You're 19?
Yes.
Abdul, you're getting married.
No.
At the age of 24. Give me that. You have one marriage in your faith.
No, thank you so much.
And career-wise, you have a miraculous career. And along with that, the business venture. Along with that, the business venture that you have started, it's going to go a long way more renowned than your acting career. You okay with that?
Yes, yes. Good. No, now I don't want to be married. Don't you please?
No, I won't, father.
Hi.
Hi!
How are
Oh my
you?
god, I'm good.
Hi.
Hi, चुम्मा. अरे मेरा वैसा नियत नहीं है, चुम्मा ले सकते हैं. एक तो बिग बॉस हमको लिपस्टिक भी नहीं लगाने देंगे.
मनीषा, अब आप तैयार हो गई हैं?
पूरा तो नहीं, पर ठीक है, चलिए. आप लोग फिल्टर लगा दीजिएगा कैमरा में प्लीज. There is one झगड़ेली लड़की in the house, बेबिका. Yeah, little fatty. Yeah, हाँ. She is वो दोस्ती के लायक नहीं है. मतलब today she do friendship with you and after 5 days she will abuse you. So she is not
good.
for friendship. Yeah.
Okay.
Abhishek is a real man, so you can friendship with Abhishek. Habibi, who is my lover. Yeah, Habibi. Yeah, you can do friendship with him because he is a very good gentleman and he is an amazing person. And Pooja ma'am is a very wonderful woman, but little bit she is serious. She became sometimes serious. उसके बाद अविनाश तो पूरा मेरे को फेक लगता है. मतलब आई थिंक अविनाश इज अ फेक गाय और धोखेबाज भी है. जैसे लास्ट टाइम उसने जिया को, जिया इज हर फ्रेंड फ्रॉम द सिंस फर्स्ट डे एंड सडनली इन नॉमिनेशन सी टुक द नेम ऑफ जिया. सो सी इज अ बिग धोखेबाज. या
Okay.
and Falak is a very sharp minded girl. She is playing a very safe game. Jia is a ladki who is beautiful, but I think she is a very less inactive girl in this house. और आकांक्षा हम भी अभी तक उसको नहीं पहचान पाए. Whatever she do, I think sometimes she became fake. And हाँ, मनीषा रानी.
Yeah.
I'm one piece in the world. No one can like me in this whole house. I'm the one लड़की, my जलवा is सबसे हटके. No one can like me. I'm beautiful, I'm hot, I'm sexy. Every boy wants me in the house, but I only give attention to Habibi. But if you come in the house, I give you attention more than Habibi.
Okay.
मनीषा, अब आप घर में वापस जा सकती हैं.
Okay, I love you, Big Boss.
Bye. Bye. See you.
Yes. Bye, Big Boss.
कल होगा वीकेंड का वार और सलमान आएंगे आपसे मिलने। तो भाईजान के आने में अभी कुछ वक्त बाकी है, लेकिन कोई है जो इस घर में अभी पहुंच चुका है और वो है छोटा भाईजान। तो चलिए स्वागत नहीं करेंगे इनका।
Brother, how are you? I miss you so much.
I miss you too.
Hi, bro. How are you?
How are you, sir?
Yes, nice to meet you, bro.
meeting you.
Hi, nice to meet you.
Welcome to the Big Boss house.
Same thing?
Gia. You guys matching so much.
Oh, it's
चलो कुछ पॉजिटिविटी तो आई।
हाँ यार।
उसको देख के ऐसे लगता है कि ऐसे ही देखो ना उसको।
I'm getting ready for you.
Okay.
Okay.
This girl flirts a lot. Be careful. You're next. I was first, you're next.
Yeah.
But now I'm giving you more attention than Habibi. उसका बहुत दे दिया उसको या।
New hero come or hero die?
बाबू listen. अरे इसको भी बाबू ना, sorry बाबू नहीं, इसको दूसरा बोल रहे हैं.
Okay.
She's calling him Babu also.
Oh no.
Babu. Oh God.
What is Babu?
Babu is darling.
I call him by love Babu.
Oh my.
I don't say Habibi. We call each other Babu.
Wow.
But from today I call you Jan. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
See, bro, new word now.
New war is begin now. Babu versus Jan.
Okay.
Now yesterday when we were sitting all of us over there and you came and you spoke to us, remember?
Yes.
And you said you're feeling uncomfortable because you've gotten to know her now. But the way it looks from the outside is that in the morning the guy says he wants to keep a distance. After the task, he says, oh, she's no good as a kisser. Then 20 minutes later, he's telling her, but actually, I wanted to kiss you.
Yeah, that was in the beginning.
Yes, darling, but you didn't...
I made sure to stress on that point, yeah, because in the beginning, when you entered, yes, I was attracted to you.
Of course you were, and I told you your dream girl is
yes,
walked in.
be careful
But the
jumping
point is that because of when three different things come in one day, it makes it sound...
True, 100%.
And I'm like, how is he being different from Akanksha now?
So the whole point of this situation, and I allowed myself to kiss her, one, because it was obviously a challenge. There's nothing more than... And even said it to Avinash, because we have these conversations, and I even said it to her.
Yeah.
I'm like, and she even told me, if it was Avinash, I would have kissed him. If it was Abhishek, I would have kissed him. I'm like, yeah, so it's the same for me. And yes, you are a bad kisser. So I did what I had to do to make you guys win.
Fair
And
enough.
it was feelingless.
Yes.
Feelingless.
Right.
Nothing at all involved.
Because she has no feelings.
Exactly. And I still have my... When you see, like, there's so much dryness.
Yeah.
That moment in that conversation, exactly within the 20 to 30 minutes, that was it. It was over after that. And then the task came, and then things elevated again. And then I saw, like, the clearer picture of these people, their intentions, and their approach to other people, and how they respect others.
I'm saying somebody will turn around and say that, hello, if she can go to Avi and tell Avi to talk to you about back off, and then you're sitting next week and talking to 3 people about her, how are you different? That's what I'm trying to... I'm putting another perspective in front of you. I'm talking about you and how you appeared in front of me only. I might understand you.
Yeah.
But how it comes across is what I was trying to tell you. It's my job to tell you... Not my job, it's my duty to tell you that if I consider you my own.
I am your own.
And that's why I'm telling you that, you know what, this could look this way to other people. But I hope that you also know that there's a lot of sunlight in this house.
Oh, yes.
And there's a lot of positivity in this house
That's why I spend
despite
my
that.
time around you guys.
Look into my eyes when I'm talking to you at this moment. I have your
know.
back.
I know.
Okay?
Believe
and if
me.
you piss me off, I am going to tell you
Yes.
you piss me off.
If you-
and you must tell me that
you
I
don't
piss
care,
you
you
off.
wouldn't tell me. I
Yeah, and you
believe-
must tell me that I give you the right to say the same thing to me.
That's it.
How can I be loyal with him? How he hold her kamar? See, and he stopped me to love someone else. Why not love you when he holds someone other kamar? Abdu.
That's epic. That's the most important thing.
Come and... Oh yeah, what's wrong in this? When he... जब वो पकड़ सकता है उसका कमर तो फिर कहाँ नहीं कर सकते?
She's talking, come kiss me.
Yeah.
Tell her it's either on the lips or not.
Yeah.
Tell her
Yes,
I kiss,
Abdul.
I don't mind, but it's only on the lips.
In pyar, chumma start with cheek, then
No,
head, then
no,
nose, then
no.
eyes, then last lip.
No, we start with
So
the
you
lip
asked
and then
her
we
to
go
give
to the
5
rest.
kisses.
What my brother talking? I'm
See?
Sida.
देखी रे
सीधा.
अरे सीधा
Even
What do you want for dessert?
no, I'm full. Thank you so much. I'm good.
Manisha's kiss for dessert. Mas